This is Deca Hobby. 2-box PYT. Number 19. Good luck, guys. We just added a dual case player break to the store. For tomorrow, for Jags. Good luck. Josh Giddey, purple. Blue of Alex Caruso for the Bulls. Red of Jerry West. An auto. Karl Malone, base auto for the Jazz, and that's a nice rookie silver of Keontae George for nostalgia. Mojo and a blue. Pods rookie. Mojo finalists or brilliance of Zion for the Pelicans. Ward. And a blue. It's a Spur. Ginobili. Non-Wembies. Johnny. Henderson. Misic on the red for the Hornets. DiVincenzo, red for the Knicks. Purple, D'Lo, and a Halliburton silver. D-Benz. GG. Doo-Wop. Base auto. Last pack of box 1. Nick Smith. Whitehead. Blue of Durant. Pistons. Or this is in the store. Hoofkin. Players and 2 boxers. Kevon Looney. Purple. Hawkes. Blue. Nice. Jordan Hawkins. Ward. Red of Beal. Hawkins. Malachi Branham, silver auto, and a Dirk silver. Mojo's coming. Mojo. Nice. There you go, blind. Stephen Curry.
Nice.
Downtown Mojo, and a nice blue of Lively. What a pack for blind. Very nice pack. Lively. Blue auto. Sensabaugh. The Jazz. Jason Williams silver. Red of McCollum. Nemhard red. Another Mojo. It's Andre Drummond for the Bulls. Last is a purple Caruso for the Bulls. All right, we're going to give the player break and Phoenix 45 minutes to fill. We give them 45 minutes. I don't think we have legs to run this back based on 31 left. On a Mojo.